Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your turn signal right here and this Jeep Patriot right here. So if your car look like this, it doesn't matter what year you have, it's going to be the same procedure of changing your turn signal right here. So right here, first we got to do is right here we gotta take out the fender liner. So I gotta remove all those 1, 2, 3 down here, and let's see, remove those 2 clips, one right here and the other one over there, and that will help me that will help you see the back of the turn signal for the front to get it off. So let's go ahead, crank the wheel, turn it all the way to the left or right, whichever side you're working on. So turn the wheel inward, so that is the right side. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wheel inwards. Alright, so the wheel are cranked up. It's the same procedure for the right and the left side. It doesn't matter. Alright, so what this do now is give us a lot of room to work, and I will leave all the link in the description for the parts I use and for the tools I use also. Alright guys, so this is the tool I need. It's a 1/4-inch drive ratchet handle with a 7mm socket on it, and just to remove these 3 7mm right here. Alright, I know there's a lot of noise in the background, but I'm at work and that's how my work environment be when the air compressor is running. So please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Alright. Alright guys, so I removed those 3 screws. The next thing we need is a clip puller right here. And what I'm gonna do is, at the end of the video, I'm gonna record all the tools I used for the job, and I'm also gonna leave them in the description. So if you guys just interested in the tools we need to replace this, you can go ahead and skip to the end of the video and you will see that. So you just want to get in there with your clip puller. Link will be in the description for it also. So you want to remove these 2 clips right here, get in here. So basically what I did is, this is like this, I get in here, get underneath it a little bit like that, and then you get the rest under there like that, then you pull back on it like this. Because it's a lot of dirt, so you might want to just rock it side to side till it come out. So it's the same thing for this side, same thing I'm doing. But this one is spinning, so you just have to line it up. Hold it so it don't spin. Alright. So it's kind of see, so you just take your time, work it, and it will come out like that. Once that is out, you can come here and pull back on the thing. So what we're gonna do is get this right here, pull back like that, because we need to get in there to remove the plug also. Alright guys, so once you go behind there, I still can't see how to take out the lights, so I'm gonna remove the 7mm right here by the bumper. Same tool I will be using. Hey, what's up? Alright, so once we go ahead and do this, there's a clip back there. This right here, that's holding the bumper as well, so you gotta push forward on it and it will come out like that. So there we go. We can see all the screws we need to take off, and it's gonna be 3 torque screws, so I'm gonna check the size on that, and like I said at the end of the video, I'm gonna use record all the tools I use. Alright guys, so the tool that you use, we gotta pull back this red piece right here. So my finger can't do it. Get the clip puller. So that's it. Pull it back. You can see shift back into place. And squeeze this and pull back. Pull out button. So this is the switch. This is the clip right here. This red piece slide back and forth like that. So you slide it back all the way back, and then you squeeze this and pull on this. Pull on it. What I will do is remove the bulb, so you're going to turn counterclockwise and pull back on it, and this is going to give you more room to work. And then you come up here with your T15 torque, and you can go ahead and remove these 3 screws like that. Alright, so to keep it real with you guys, I gotta hold the bumper with my knee like this and keep the space. The hardest part of the job so far is to take out the inner screw over there, but once you get that out, the turn signal should slide right out. And this is it right here. Alright guys, so we got our new parts right here, and it's for the right side. And that's how it goes, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and install it the same way we take it out. We're just gonna reverse the process. Once again, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And right here on the light right here, gotta line up with this right here. So you look at the bottom, you're gonna see that groove right there. Just line it up, and there's another one over here on this side, line up with that cutout right there. So once you line it up like that, it should go in and look like that. Then we catch back our screw. Like this. Alright guys, so once you get that one tightened up, you just want to get your bulb. Check your bulb, make sure it's good, because the new one don't come with a bulb in it, but this one does. The old one still have the bulb, so make sure it's good. And it's not good, so we're gonna change it. So you just want to pull on the bulb and it will come right up. Alright guys, so the bulb we take is 3751 NA, because I can see that this bulb is no good. And so that's the bad one, this the good one. go ahead and install it, and it goes in just like that. So let's go ahead and put the bulb back. Get my knee to hold this back up here. As you can see, this comes with a plastic. You just push on it and peel it out like this. It's not a big deal. So you just want to keep on turning it to fall right in. Once it fall right in, go ahead and turn the socket, push it in and turn it clockwise. Go ahead, lock this into place, and what would be the next step is to test your light to make sure it works. So let's go ahead and crank the vehicle up. Turn on your headlamp. So this one is working. This one is also working. And let's check the turn signal to make sure it works as well. Alright, so we good, we in business. Go ahead and cut the vehicle off again. Turn the headlamp off. Alright, so guys, everything is good. Let's put it back together. You want to make sure this clip right here go over this thing right here and lock it into place. So you just get it on like that. Make sure everything is nice and flush. So there you go, everything is nice and flush. So the next step is to connect your 10mm. I'm sorry, your 7mm, which is this right here. You want to connect it to the bumper right here. And once you do that, you go ahead and tighten it down. Okay. Alright guys, so once that is tightened up, you can go ahead and put back your fender liner into the right spot. Okay. You can go ahead and catch your 7mm. That goes right there. Another one right here. Another one right there. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright guys, so right here I have all the screws, just going over the job, make sure everything is tight. And I have my clips right here already installed. That's it for this one guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, help me help you. Peace out, see you next time.